Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own completely free forum with tribe.so. So first we need to go to the site. .so. Tribe.so will be in the link in the description. Now, click create your tribe. You won't need a code or anything. They'll do the entire website by themselves. You can upload a logo or anything. It's good for creating social networks. So, put in your full name. I'm just going to put in Debbie Coding. My email. My password. You don't need to do your phone. My company that I want to call it is, let's just call it Demo Forum. Demo Forum. demoforum.tribeplatform.com. I'll tell you how to change that. Select industry. Other. I don't know. Create your community. Now, use that very soon. Okay, now it should redirect you to your own tribe or forum or whatever you want to call it. So look like this. Not got a much design. First, let's upload your logo. Go to here. Upload a community logo. Let's do this. Square logo, which is the favicon. This one. Yep, so that's right. Now we're on a 14-day free trial. So by the end, right now you can remove Right now you can remove that, but after the 14 days that it will come back. I just remove it for the 14 days. We don't want it to be private. We don't want it to be invite only. Anyone can invite, update. So anyone can sign in or anything. Okay. Now let's set up a domain. So you have to have your own domain that you paid for, and let's make a subdomain for it. So my domain is debbiecoding.com.au. Let's call it demoforum.debbiecoding.com.au. It only works if you have your own domain. And that. Click Move Community. Now, it will give us a CNAME and a target. So go over to what you use. I use GoDaddy. Go over to your account. This can work if you have Google domains, GoDaddy, Crazy Domains, all of them. Any of them. Go to DNS. Click Add. Click CNAME. Now for the name, go over to here. The name will be demoforum@debcoding.com.au. Put that in. Now get the other one, domains.triplatform.com. Put it in the value. Add record. Now, yes, this record should be on demoforum@debcoding.com.au. Save. Now go over to here, recheck settings. It might not, you just have to keep on clicking it until it will work. Should work soon. This pretty much happens with any website builder or anything. I tried doing it with Squarespace, and it kept on doing this until finally 2 worked, but 1 didn't. Just do this. Okay, now it worked. Everything looks good. By clicking Move Community, you'll change the location of your community to demoforum.triplatform.com to demoforum.debcoding.com.au. Confirm. Now it'll take around 3 minutes. So let's go check it out. So it will look like this. You have to log back in again. And it will look like this. It looks really cool. So the other step, to make it look like red or whatever color you want, first you have to go to your account, then go to then go to Customizer. The favicon up there looks weird. Okay, now we don't want any of these themes, so let's go to Colors. The background, let's make it red, because that's heavy. The text, don't mind about that. Don't mind about that. Make it black. Card. Let's keep it white. Navbar, which is up here. Let's make it the other color. 980000. That color. Make text white. Now, buttons. The buttons will look like that. So let's change it to red. Link, the text. Let's make it blue. 0000FF. And do the other one. Maybe a bit darker for the other one or a bit lighter. Just do it 00FF. Now you can change the thing. Ooh. Let's change system. Save. If you go back, it will look like this. Oh. If you want, you can set up a few things with the administration. Let's go to authentication. This is what it'll look like when you log in. Social login. Yep. Let's use that. Login with Google. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Like that. Okay. Login with Google. Now let's go to apps. We'll automatically save that. Let's go to Cookie Content Manager. Install this app. So, if I go back to here, I'm fine with cookies. Cookies! Go back to here. So let's look at it with another account. I'm going to use this one. Let's look at it. So it looks like this. And yeah. Bye everyone. I hope you liked this video creating a forum online for free. Make sure to check out our other videos and please subscribe and yeah. Bye!